Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change a Terraden.
If you want to know how I jack my Santa Fe, I put a piece of wood on my jack and I place the jack just under the subframe right there. Everything seems to be great except for this Terraden. Look, that excess play. I compare with the passenger side and there is no play at all when I move like that just with my finger.
First, put some penetrating fluid on the Terraden nut and the Kessel nut. I got some propane torch with me so I don't waste my time and I eat the Kessel nut right away. Before to remove the Kessel nut, you have to remove the cutter pin. You just have to take a pick or a flat screwdriver to remove it. Now that the Kessel nut is loose, heat up the nut for the Terraden adjustment. You just have to break the nut loose and make half a turn. Now it's time to remove the Kessel nut with my ratchet wrench. Take a big hammer and hit the side of the knuckle and the Terraden will pop off like this.
So I'm gonna measure the distance between the strap of the boot and the center of my ball joint. 11.78.
To double check my alignment, I will count the number of turns with the Terraden to make sure I have the good distance with the new one. So 1 turn, 2 turn,
17 turns. So this is the old part and this is the new. They look pretty similar, so I'm gonna install that. So now I count 17 turn. 17. So we said 11.78, exactly 11.78. So I'm gonna put it onto the hub, put the Kessel nut again, I'm gonna put the cotter pin in the Kessel nut. Okay, so now this part is tight, the cotter pin is installed.
So the job is done. The alignment should be good because with this method we measure the Terraden distance. But don't forget to take the car to a good shop for an alignment to make sure everything is fine and straight. It will prevent the tire wears. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.